Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, the best place for all the activists, all the introverts and all the non-profits who's making first steps in the business, because this is channel especially for us. And today we're going to talk about the logos, how to get the logos for free, the mistakes people actually do, and do you really need the logo? If you're a service-based business, then you don't really need the logo. The best thing is to build a solid personal brand, because as I mentioned in the video about the owning your story, people are buying from the people. People are not buying from the brands. And you might think, Yola, but I just got my Apple phone. And even Apple at the beginning were just a logo. That's why Steve Jobs made sure that he shared his story to the point that his story actually ended up in Hollywood. Even all these big chains like McDonald's have to rely on the faces to back up their brand. So we all know the story about the Ronald McDonald and how he established the first McDonald's. We are also hearing about all these amazing employees who work in McDonald's for 75 years, for example, and then they retired. And this kind of news actually goes to the newspapers because they make an amazing headline, because everyone loves this kind of stories. Why? Because they associate the person and the face with the brand. And there's psychology behind it, because you know what? People are buying from the people. People are not buying from the logos. People are buying from the people. So if you've got service-based business like me, I'm a health coach, my face is my brand. So I share a lot of my pictures and I share a lot of my stories. But Yula, I have a product-based business. Can I use the logo of my company or should I put my face on? Product-based businesses are different. Then you can put your logo on it, but still remember to share the story behind the logo, okay? So still show up as a you, explain to people why you actually open this kind of business, what is your mission, what is your vision, because the people relate to it. If the person's got two profiles and one is sharing their story and, for example, love the dogs, and another don't share the story but share only the logos, and this person's got a dog, from who this person's gonna buy? So the mistakes which people make with the logos and the mistakes which I did at the beginning of my business. I actually made logo myself, which you can see here. I'm multi-passionate. That means I've got a lot of different passions. And if you are multi-passionate, you don't really have to choose between one passion or another, because you are equally good with juggling two or multiple businesses all together. And this is the subject for another video for my multi-passionate activist. So I make this logo and I actually own all full rights to this logo. So if anyone gonna use the logo, they actually cannot, because I own it. It's my brand logo. So I pay for it and I made it in the week, which comes with your full rights to the graphic and which comes with the canvas with different dimensions, which you can choose and use in all your platforms. But do you have to do it? When you are like starting entrepreneur, I wouldn't do it. I honestly would not do it. I would think about it later when you actually make some money. Then you can pay for your logo or then you can actually outsource this to a professional logo designer. But at the beginning, you absolutely don't have to do it. There's the way how to do your logo for free. Just go to this website. It's canva.com. And you actually can see a lot of templates. You basically edit it, you just pick the colors, you pick the fonts, and there you go. You've got a logo for free. I just save you a lot of money. Basically, I'm doing everything on Canva. The video presentation, I'm doing Instagram story, I'm doing Pinterest pins videos, I'm doing Twitter videos, Twitter graphics, the graphics for my blogs. I literally do absolutely everything in Canva, and I cannot recommend it enough. So my dear friend, the lesson for today: go on Canva, do your logo, and share it with me in the comment section below, or just DM me directly over here. If you like the video, click the like button, subscribe and share it with others so we can bring all the amazing activists all together and we can learn from each other. I will see you very shortly. Bye!